Hey everybody, I'm back again. I've got a cool project today that we're gonna experiment with because I've never tried it before. So like most of my other crafts, it could go bad, it could go great. So we will find out. The first one that we're gonna try is Sharpie Mug art. And I got these cute little espresso mugs. I thought these little guys would be really cute to just draw on and have some fun. And the second thing, we are going to do nail polish swirl art. So I've seen a lot of people do these on mugs. When I was at the thrift store, I saw these cute bowls. I thought these were really fun and would be really pretty to decorate. All right, so first we are going to do the Sharpie mug art. All you really need is a mug and a Sharpie or Sharpies. I had read online it's better to use oil-based paint Sharpies. It's going to help make your creation last longer, but I didn't have any, so I'm just gonna use a regular Sharpie. So it's pretty simple. You just take your Sharpie and you draw on the mug. Okay, so I decided to kind of take the easier route and do some simple designs. So I did my little dot and some stripes. I think that they look really cute and simple together. After you finish decorating your mug, the next step is that you are going to put them in the oven. So to help these set, you are going to put these in the oven and preheat the oven to 350 degrees and then bake them for 30 minutes. After they're done baking, you're gonna turn off the oven, leave it off, and wait for them to cool down. I'm not sure how well this is gonna stick on my mug because I didn't use the oil-based paint. What I found out was when I was decorating the mug, I could kind of scratch off some of the marker if I made a mistake with my nail. So it's helpful if you kind of made a little mistake that you want to kind of immediately get rid of. Super fun, super easy little craft to do. The second craft that we are going to do is some nail polish marbling on these bowls. I have never done this one before. We might be learning this together. You're gonna need a bowl or some kind of container, and you're gonna fill it with warm water, some nail polish. A lot of people recommended using brand new nail polish so that you don't have any clumps in there. Some toothpicks. You are going to want some sort of bowl, or you can use a white mug. So you are going to get a bowl of warm water, and then the directions say just kind of pour a little bit of the nail polish in there in like a swirling motion. Then we're going to use a toothpick to make sure that it's all swirled so that we get a really cool design. Well, this looks bad. I think I need a different strategy because I like kind of dunked it in. All of it went on the bottom. We're gonna try this again. This easily comes off with some nail polish, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and try it again. I guess you should probably add nail polish remover to your list of supplies that you need. Oh yeah, it comes like right off with nail polish remover. All right, so I've cleaned off my bowl and we're gonna try this again. Better. I got like half the bowl that time. I think I need a bigger bowl. I couldn't find like a bowl, so I've got one of my Pyrex dishes that we're gonna try this in now. All right, so after some trial and error, I think these turned out really cool. I'll go ahead and show them off. So this is the pink one, gray one. The blue one wasn't the best, and I think it was the nail polish because it was really just kind of coming out in clumps. So I think that was the problem with the blue. And last, my favorite. It looks so pretty. I kind of impulse bought the glitter to do my own nails with. And I decided last minute to kind of blend it in with another color, and it turned out so cool. So I've kind of been letting these sit here for around like 20-ish minutes, and they're pretty much dry, but I'm gonna leave them here till they're completely dry. As you could see, I messed up a few times, so there was a few things that I learned, so I'm gonna share them with you. So hopefully if you try this, you won't make the same mistakes. The first one, I would say do not double dip. You could probably see it in the video. after I kind of swirled it once, I kind of missed a side, so I thought I could quickly like dip it back in there, but you could probably see as I pulled it up, there was kind of this weird filmy texture. This side looks cool, and then you get to that and it looks really weird. That's from me putting it back in after the first time. So really try and, when you put it in, just swirl it around, try to get all the edges. If you don't, I would recommend getting out all the leftover nail polish, then doing it again, and then just going ahead and dipping the other side in there. I think it'll make it look a lot nicer. Second thing is you have to work really fast. So pretty much you have your warm water, have everything you need right in front of you, then go ahead and pour the nail polish in a steady stream. I thought it worked better than when I was kind of slowly dripping it and dots were coming out. It made it harder and I had to use the toothpick more to swirl it around. So if you kind of get a steady stream and you can make your own swirls with that, then you can go ahead and just take your bowl and dip it in, kind of skipping that toothpick step. Work really fast because the longer you wait, the more likely your chances are in kind of getting that filmy appearance on there, which definitely does not look as good. Next, make sure you use a large enough bowl. Other than those things, it's really easy. I think you should have nail polish remover on hand because you're probably gonna mess up the first time because it's just kind of like awkward to get used to. Once you kind of get the hang of it, they start actually looking really nice. If I'm gonna do this again, I would do it with a vase. I actually think I might go buy a white vase and do this. Chances are, the more I wash these, it's gonna come off, which they are not microwave safe or dishwasher safe, so you have to hand wash these. You could probably buy some sort of sealer to put on it. It's probably just gonna come off eventually. I think that's all I have to say about that. Both of these projects are really fun. Sharpie Mug's a little easier, but these turn out super cool. They just kind of take a little bit of practice. These are both definitely projects that I would recommend. If you guys enjoyed what you just saw, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click the bell. That way you can see all the new craft videos that I upload. If you guys have any questions for me or suggestions for new videos, go ahead and comment below. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video, and I will see you guys next time.